Ka kenhun menteri ke Sorkar jela kala aya ka jingmynjur ya ka mang tyngka ka thymmai na ka bentai ki katu ka ni ka jingtei ya ki madan ya lekai na ka benta ka 39th National Games arjar pinyo. Habakran syakilat ptai kubor hadien ka jingalang ha ka kan rio trik rempang u menteri ka tenat sports uba wailat miki shela uloong. Ka kenhun menteri kala menjur ya ka mang tyngka ka thymmai na ka bentai ki jingtei ya ki madan ya lekai kenthop ya ka aquatic and tennis complex Sauli, hostel block Sauli, Sunny Hills Tura, bat patugan Nengminja Sangma Athletic Stadium Tura. Haba bataya ka daw halor ka nga jingpen thymmai uba wailat ulaong. Kanu kanu ka jingmang ka balakiyo ya ka palad arpasan ka deban yo ya ka jingmynjur ya ka kinhun menteri. Kelatam ya ka jingmang da arpasan namar ki jingdon kam bathymmai ki badang mi kum ka practice pool, diving pool, bat ki jaka syong da ka bakdaw halor ka jingkar pat jong ka Indian Olympic Association hakapor ka jingmynjurim. Ya kini ki project on baiting karak Sorkar jela.
Approval for the revised cost estimate for below mentioned sport infrastructure for 39 national games. A. Aquatic and tennis complex Sauli. B. Hostel block Sauli. C. Sunny Hills Tura. D. Patagon Nemengja Sangma Athletic Stadium Tura. Because we have taken the decision that whatever estimate which the revised estimate which increased above 25%, so it has to be got approved from the cabinet. So that's why we brought this under the cabinet for approval. It has crossed the amount of 25% because all this, like I already mentioned, the aquatic and tennis complex, because we have to add additional practice pool, diving pool, and along with the sitting arrangement based on the request from the IOA when they come for inspection. That's why the amount got increased, and so with the other projects.
So this is from the state fund, or will be asking?
From the state fund, yeah.